Oh, I had a bite. It's a little one. Try it again. And today I'm just going to do smallmouth and largemouth bass fishing today. Trying to see if I catch that one. Try to get that one. Oh, that wind is just throwing me off. I can't throw it where I want to. And I throw it too far and I get caught up all this stuff. I'm just fighting the wind. Now this is about the kayak you want if you're going to fight in the wind. It's a whole lot easier kayaking with your pedal feet. Yesterday we went to Otter Creek, caught about 2 fish, and oh no, got stuck on the log here. And then the other thing I was today I decided to go Woodson County State Lake. This is a small lake. It'd be nice for kayak fishing. I always want to go out here on a kayak, so it was a perfect time. Last night after we got done fishing, one of the guys' wife, her name is Pam, and she made a great fish taco. It was delicious. That wind that causes tension on your line. That'll be easy for a fish to pop off of there as well. That doesn't help. Fish off. Got one finally. Yes. No, came off. Oh, that's why I'm having trouble. It just won't stay on. Maybe it's a largemouth bass there. Thought I was going to have him in here. No. Come on, take it, take it, take it. Ah, nothing. They're just dragging through something else. Oh, yes. No! Why? Twice! Oh, how the... I don't know. I never have so much problem bringing them in. Man. No, I missed it. I filled it too. Ah. Try it again. There's a stick right here and I can't bring them in. Oh, that's not my day. No. Every time pop up, I'm gonna have to, dang, gotta put this net somewhere else. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do this. Alright, try it again. That's fourth time I lost it. That one was right up on the kayak when I came up here. Come on. Since I'm having trouble with keeping the fish on, I decided to get the crankbait hooks, or the triple hooks, I mean, the 2 triple hooks. Maybe I can keep the fish on this time. And while I'm thinking of it, let's get this out of my way. I fish hit it right at the end here. Not enough to get a good hook on him. Fish on. Yo, you. Are you kidding me? You're in trouble, Hook. I'm having nothing but trouble. Oh, these fish just take. I went to extra extreme and they still outsmart me, huh? You little fish. Well, I'll try this again. Stay on there. Can I get him in? Yeah, I got him. Yes, finally got a fish. Finally. Alrighty then. Ooh, doggy. That hook off of him. There we go. He almost got off there. Just a little. Oh, throw that out on the water. So I'm gonna get a hook on it. There she is. A little. There we go. Oh yeah. All right. Go ahead. Let this fish go. Ready? Here we go. Oh, my tangling this up. I actually caught another fish. Oh, and got off. Dang it. All right. Let's cast it over here. Go back there. Here a little bit. Another fish. Yes. Another one. Oh. All right. Right there. Right there. Good grief. That's what I'm calling a good day now. All right. Here we go. Not that bad. A tiny little fish. Another largemouth bass. All right, let's see if we can. Here we go. Bye bye. Fish on. If I keep him. Yeah. Here we go. Number 3 in the boat. Lost 5 and got 3. Oh yeah. There you go. We're gonna go ahead and let it go. Bye bye. Had one on there and came off. No. Oh, that was close. Almost hit me in the face. Woo. That wind is throwing me off. Let's see if I can throw that way. There we go. I won't get in that wind so much for those. Oh, that's a good one. If it stays on. No. This area. let the perch go. Fish on. Stay on there. Can I get him in? Yeah. Get that hook off of him. Stay on there. Stay on there. Yes. Got a bigger bass finally. Yahoo. All right. That's what I'm talking about. Much, much bigger. Look at that. Woohoo. Easy does it. Stay on there. Stay on there. Yes. Got a bigger bass finally. Yahoo! Woohoo! Let the guy go. There he goes. Me catching that bass. All I'm doing, got my rudder set. My paddle, I actually moved just enough to keep it from turning. All I'm doing just drifting down the lake with this kayak. It's perfect, and that's why I've been catching fish off the side here. I didn't have the camera on, but there was as soon as I reeled it up, the fish jumped up right at the hook. There's a mud duck right there. Oh, mud duck, what are you doing? What are you doing, mud duck? Only thing is, this wind blowing me too fast, so I can't hit every spot. But hit and miss, at least I get a few strikes. It's a really good day to go fishing. A little bit hot though. It's getting warm. But I'm glad, because it's been cold for quite a while. We're already in May. Finally gets warming up. Look at the waves. Oh my, the wind picked up. I'm going to head on back. There's too much wind. Here we go. Here's some waves. This kayak does pretty good. It's a whole lot easier pedaling than paddling in this big old waves here with the wind blowing. Oh yeah, look at that. That's why I like this kayak. Woo! Get a good legs workout, and you keep up. I'd be struggling with paddling right here with this big waves right now if I was doing paddling. Oh my, look at that. Woohoo! Oh, I see the white ripples. Let's see how it takes. Get ready. Here it comes. Oh yeah, here we go. Here it is. Well, woo, whoa. A little wet. Cold water. Cool. Nice day. There's too much wind. I'm going back. It just gets a little rough. But I got a few fish I want to catch. I lost a few and I caught a few, and I feel good about it. Got a little bit bigger largemouth bass. Didn't get my smallmouth bass like I wanted to. but that's all right. I'll come back and get the smallmouth bass later on. Right now, I just want to get on home. I'm out, wore out. Went to Otter Creek, fishing out there, paddling around there. 2 days fishing. It's all right. It's Wild Bill's Adventures Outdoor. Oh yeah! Here we go. Oh, what a day! Might be windy, might be rough, but man, way to go! I don't have to use my arms and paddling. Oh yeah! My hands are free. Whoa! Gotta get that back. I could take a nap and paddle like this. Oh yeah! Woo! This Wild Bill's Adventures Outdoor. Yeah! What a day! Woo-hoo! A beautiful day, wouldn't you say? Oh yeah! Woo-hoo! Let's go! Woo! I lost my hat there. That went and picked that up. Oh yeah! Woo-hoo! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Let's see what it looked like when I'm paddling with this. Oh yeah! Look at that! Look at that! Whoa, got some water in me. I love this old Town 106 pedal drive. Woo! Sure is the best kayak I ever had. I love all my Jackson kayaks too, don't get me wrong, but I love this pedal drive. Oh my, it's nice. Woo-hoo! Beautiful day. Well, pretty neat lake. Pretty good size for kayaking. But here we go. Pretty cool. Well, I hope you have a great time. I hope you enjoy this adventure. I got more adventures for you. I hope you enjoy this adventure. Well, I got plenty more adventures for you to enjoy. So if you ever want to see me kayaking, fishing, or any other adventures, just keep watch on the channel. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and thumbs up. Woo! This Wild Bill's Adventures Outdoor. Well, here's my turn off. Oh my. Got to double check on everything, make sure nothing go off there. We're good. So we'll catch you later on the other side. Woo!